What's up, mama? Hey, are you considering beginning to offer solid foods to your little one, but maybe you're feeling a little bit scared or overwhelmed about what you should do versus what you absolutely shouldn't do? Well, if you're feeling this way, you're definitely in good company, and it's why I've created this series. It's going to give you clarity on the basics. And today we're diving into what you absolutely should not be doing when starting baby-led weaning. Coming up. What's up, mama? Welcome back to the Kids OT Help channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole. I'm a mommy, I'm a pediatric occupational therapist. I'm also a certified lactation consultant, and guess what? I just want to make motherhood easier on you. So consider subscribing for weekly helpful tips that are really geared to help you better understand and serve your child's developmental needs. So as promised, let's jump into the absolute no-nos when it comes to baby-led weaning. So the first major don't when beginning baby-led weaning is take away your little one's milk feeds or replace them. We don't want to replace milk feeds with solid foods because milk is your little one's primary source of nutrition until the age of 1, and food is largely supplemental. Now, of course, as an OT, I consider food essential in terms of developing the skills necessary to safely chew and swallow food or manage food safely in the mouth. So really, we're keeping the milk feeds in place because that is their primary source of nutrition, but we're providing opportunities for your little one to learn how to manage food safely and efficiently in their mouth. So the second major don't is don't wait until after you've offered solid foods to give your baby their regular milk feeding. Now I've got a little compassion exercise for you. Imagine you're starving, like seriously hangry, and you're finally presented with food, but someone told you the only way you can consume this food is if you eat it with your feet. Like, you would be mad. You would be so mad because you don't know how to eat food with your feet. That's not what you've been practicing for the past 20, 30, 40 years of your life. So let's not put our kiddos in the same situation. Even if, we had been eating with our feet for 10 times, 50 times, we probably wouldn't be as good at it as we would be using our hands and our fork. So let's let our little ones eat the best way they know how to eat, either bottle or breast. And then once their bellies are full and they're in that calm neurological state, they will be ready for a novel activity. Then you can place them in their high chair and have some problem solving or sensory exploration in terms of working on that new skill of picking up food and bringing it to their mouth. What's up, friend? Hey, I hope you're getting value from this video. And if you are, I would really appreciate it if you'd give me a thumbs up. You're seriously the best. Back to it. Now, the third major don't when beginning baby-led weaning is pressure your baby to eat foods. Believe it or not, our little ones are quite intuitive about what they feel safe and what they don't feel safe with. So if you find yourself pressuring your little one to try certain foods, they may be going against their natural instinct of this isn't safe or I'm not ready for this at this time. We definitely want to respect boundaries and respect their no. And this is at any age, but especially a brand new baby who's learning the skills of putting food in their mouth. Let them go at their own pace, give them time, and try and be patient. And that's the beautiful thing about starting baby-led weaning or infant-led weaning when your baby is ready, because we're giving them the maximum amount of opportunities to practice the skill before they really need to know how to eat food when milk is not the primary source of nutrition and we are relying on them to intake a certain amount of solid foods. So of course, continue to offer certain foods. Maybe your little one won't try it the first time, the 5th time, the 10th time. So we want to continue providing those opportunities, but we're respecting their boundaries. If they don't want to bring it to their mouth, that's fine. Maybe they just want to touch it. Maybe they want to bring it to their mouth and they want to take it out. We're gonna let them go at their pace. The final major don't is place your baby at an increased risk of choking, which I'm covering in depth in the next video in this series. So click over here if you haven't seen any of the other videos in this series. Otherwise, I will catch you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye. Read it back, read it back, read it back. The second major don't is, I don't know. Dang it, so not helpful.